Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am Waqar Ullah from Pakistan, and today is my first lecture about the alphabets of Pashto. There are different accents in Pakistan and Afghanistan, and this language is mainly spoken in Afghanistan and Pakistan. However, there are different countries where the native Pashto speaker are living outside their countries, for example, UAE, USA, and Europe. However, this language is the language or the alphabet which I am going to teach you, that is basically from the Pashto accent, Peshawar accent, which are typically spoken in Pakistan. So let's start. These are the different alphabets of Pashto. The first one is the Alif, or in Pashto it is called Alif. B, P, T, T. There is a little bit difference between T and T. T and T. Se, Jim, Zim, Che, Sim, He, He. Again, there is a little difference between He and He. He is lightly spoken and he is stress is given while speaking this letter or this alphabet. Dal and Dal. Again, more pressure is applied while speaking this letter or this alphabet. Dal, Dal, Zal. Re, Re, Z, J, J or J. Both are correct, but generally it is called J. Ge or Gaf. Seen and Sheen. Heen or He. Both are correct. They are pronouncing the same. Heen or He. When we are using these letters, He or Heen, and this He, they will make the same sound. However, the alphabets are different while writing from each other. Swad, Dwad, Twa, Zwa, R. It is also pronounced as Twe and Zwe. Twa or Twe, correct. Zwa or Zwe, both are correct. Ain, Ghain, Ain, Ghain. More pressure is applied while speaking this Ghain, and it is politely spoken. Ain. Fe, Fe or Fa, both are correct, but generally in Pashto it is called Fe. Qaf, it is pronounced at the inner throat. Qaf, Kaf, lightly spoken at the tip of the tongue. Kaf. Gaf, Lam, Meem, Noon, Noon, Wow, Ha or He. Ye, 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 Ye. Now, these are the alphabets of Pashto. We can divide into the main alphabets and its derivation. For example, the Alif can be considered as the main alphabet. Similarly, B can be considered as it has three further derivatives. And I have encircled these letters. So for you, if you are a beginner, it is preferable to initially learn these encircled alphabets. It will make easy for you to be remembered. Alif, Be, Jim, Dal, Re, Sin, Swad, Twe, Ain, Fe, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, He. And the last one is the Ye. Now you can see that the main structure of these alphabets are the same. However, the certain construction make it different from each other. For example, if we are talking about the B, there is only one dot below the main structure. It is called B. When we put three dots below the structure, it becomes P, and two dots on the upper side, it is called Te. Now, additionally, one hook type, or you can see a V type, is also added to this Te. It becomes Te. And when we add three dots on the upper side to the main structure, it becomes Se. So today I would not like you to remember all these words. First of all, you should focus on these encircled alphabets. The first one is the Aleph or Alif. The second one is Be, Jim, Dal, Re, Sin, Swad, Twe, Ain, Fe, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, He, and the last one is Ye. Now these other letters are the derivatives of the main structure, so focus on these encircled letters at this stage. Later on you will become familiar with these letters. In the next lecture, in the next lecture, I would like to teach you how to use keyboard while writing these Pashto alphabets. So if you have any question, you can please ask me in the comment section. And since it was my first class, I would like to make it better for you. Thank you. I will be waiting for your suggestion and your comments. Thank you.